Good morning, dear student. You are all welcome in the DSS online English class. Myself, Dharmen sir, your English teacher. Now we shall discuss and explain the fourth chapter of your Honeydew, Vipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. It is a story of a person who got in a dilemma and what he feels that everything is suspicious. So we shall read first the chapter and explain its meaning. Student, listen carefully. I have given you a task to read the whole chapter with a great accent and great twist. I hope so. You have read this chapter. Now we have to explain. So let's start before you read. Do you have a good memory? Definitely. The chapter asks a question that do you have a good memory? Student, क्या आपको लगता है कि आपकी मेमोरी बहुत अच्छी है? अगर आप टीचर्स की बताई सभी बातें आपको याद रहती हैं and you do all things what your teacher taught to you in the class, and if you have able to remember all the question answers, all the given tasks, then definitely you have a good memory. But if you fail to answer and fail to remember, then definitely you have a very weak memory, and for that you have to punish in your class and you will have to scold by the teacher. Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? And ever have you got any situation that when your memory play a trick with you? Like whenever your teacher asks a question, then definitely you stand and begin to think that I have remembered but forgot now. So like this answer oftenly, like स्टूडेंट आप अक्सर जब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो मैक्सिमम बच्चे खड़े होते हैं कहते हैं ओ सर दिमाग से निकल गया, मैंने याद किया था भूल गया. इफ सच काइंड्स ऑफ आंसर यू हैव आर सच थिंग्स हैपन विद यू, देन डेफिनेटली you have very weak memory. Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot, and forgetfulness always stand us on a tight spot. Tight spot here means the difficult situation. Always forgetfulness gives us a difficult situation where we have missed our great opportunity. Like if we are taking part in any examination and there we forgot anything which is very important for the answer, then definitely you lose your answer. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. But forgetting is a part of life, and if the forgetfulness is increased rapidly, then definitely one type come when you got yourself on a state of crazy. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy. In this story, we shall discuss that how Bipin Babu reached on the stage of a crazy. Because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi, because he went to the Ranchi and he forget that either he go or not. That it is a suspense that actually he went to the Ranchi or not. When we discuss and when we study complete chapter, then definitely got the answer that really he went or not. He has never been to Ranchi and he thinks that he has never been to Ranchi. He insists, though there are many witnesses to the contrary, but he said that he never has been to Ranchi, but in the contrary of his answer, there are a lot of witnesses produced by a person that he went to the Ranchi. What is the suspense all about? And what is suspense behind it? Let's discuss. Every Monday on his way back from work, every Monday when Vipin Babu back from his work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's new market to buy books. And Vipin Chaudhary dropped on a Kali Charan shops that was a book stall, and from there he used to buy many books, and that books belongs to, or that books based on crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. And he used to buy at least 5 books for the week. That means he used to buy at one time 5 books for the entire week. He lived alone. He used to live alone in his home. Was not a good mixture, and he was a solitary person. He was a lonely person because he had no more friends, and he is not a very familiar nature. That's, you can say that he is a very lonely person. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मित्र नहीं थे उनके, वो अकेले रहना पसंद करते थे. Had few friends. That's why it's obvious that the person who have not a very good familiar nature, and definitely he has to be alone. And there are very few friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat, and he didn't want to chat with idle matters. That means he want to live alone. Today at Kali Charan's, but now something happened today. Today at Kali Charan's shop, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from a close quarter. Bipin Babu observed that someone just near to him from a close quarter. Close quarter here means a quarter that close was partially closed. Means एक क्वार्टर जिसके दरवाजे पार्शियली में थोड़े से खुले हुए थे. एंड फ्रॉम देयर सम वाज पीपिंग आउट. वहाँ से कोई झांक रहा था उनको. ऑब्जर्विंग हिम, कोई उनको ऑब्जर्व कर रहा था. ही टर्न राउंड एंड फाउंड हिमसेल्फ लुकिंग एट द राउंड फेस. व्हेन ही टर्न राउंड ही saw that the man has pale face and round face, meek looking. That means a quiet and humble person there was looking toward him, who now broke into a laughter. And the person who was very quiet and observing him began to laugh. After seeing Bipin Babu. I don't suppose you are recognizing me. Then Bipin Babu asked to the person that, do you know me? And I don't suppose you are recognize me. And said that, I don't suppose that you are recognize me. That means I have never meet with that person, and the person who was observing me from the near close quarters, and he gave a laughter smile. Then he just began to think that how a person knows me, and he asked to the person that, do you recognize me? Have you met before? Asked Bipin Babu. Then Bipin Babu again said that, have you met anywhere before today? The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. And the man who was observing him fall in a very great surprise and asked in a surprise mode that means, how can you ask me that I know you? We meet every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls, and I have also arranged a car for you to go to the Hudru Falls. Hudru Falls here means a tourist place. In 1958, in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh, and after that, the person who was observing him and the person who answered the Vipin Babu's question, who shared or who introduced himself by the name of Parimal Ghosh. Then, in a surprising mood, Vipin Babu said, Ranchi. That means Ranchi. मैं तो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं. Now Vipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Now Bipin Babu said that he is not in the state of mistake, but the person who is asking, that means Parimal Ghosh, the Parimal Ghosh making a mistake. That means विपिन बाबू ये सोचते हैं कि वो ये इसमें मेरी नहीं बल्कि ये जो पर्सन है, जो परिमल घोष है, ये गलती कर रहे हैं. मैं तो कभी रांची गया नहीं, लेकिन इनको लग रहा है कि मैं रांची गया. दैट मीन्स ही इज मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक. विपिन बाबू हैड नेवर बीन टू रांची. विपिन बाबू कभी रांची गए ही नहीं. ही हैड बीन एट द पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग सेवरल टाइम, बट ही हैड मेक अ प्लान टू गो सेवरल टाइम टू रांची, बट he never succeed in this plan, but never made it. But his plans never succeed. He smiled and said, and after some time he smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" Again he asked to the person that, "Do you know who I am?" The man raised his eyebrow. That means the man showed slightly surprisedness, bit his tongue, and by beating his tongue said, "Do I know you?" That means you are saying that I know you. Do I know you? Means a great surprise. जैसे कहते हैं कि क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? Who doesn't know बिपिन चौधरी? बिपिन चौधरी को कौन नहीं जानता? Bipin Babu now turned toward the bookshelves and said. Now Bipin Babu again turned around the bookshelves and said that, "Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I never been to Ranchi." Again you are making mistake, mister. I never have been Ranchi. The man now laughed aloud. Now the man who is hearing the words of Bipin Babu began to laugh loudly. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary?" In a great surprise he said that, "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had fallen in a Hudru fall. You went to a Hudru fall and there you fall down and cut your right knee and a cut mark, and you cut your right knee. You can see your cut mark. I brought you iodine, and at that moment I brought you an iodine for that injuries. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhut the next day, and after that I had fixed a car for you to go to Netherhut. That means I arranged a car for you, but you couldn't because of the pain in this knee. But you got yourself unable to move because you are feeling a great pain in your knee that was injured when you fall in Hudru fall. Can't you recall anything?" That means, didn't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. Not even me and you. Someone else was also present at that time in Ranchi, and that person's name was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a Bangalore, and in Ranchi you stayed in a Bangalore. You said you didn't like hotel food, and you also said that you didn't like to eat hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. And also you said that you want to take food which is made by or which is cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, and Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister, and there you had make a very big argument about the moon landing. Remember? That means आपको याद आ रहा है कुछ? I will tell you more. I will tell you more about the trip of Ranchi. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trip, and whenever you went on a side trip, you always put a bag on your back, and that bag was full of your books. Am I right or not? That thing is right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 1950 are you talking about? Then Bipin Babu looked toward the bookshelves and book and said, asked to the person that, in about which month are you talking about in 1958? The man said, October, October 1958. No, sir, Bipin Babu said. Then Bipin Babu replied that, no, sir, I spent puja in 58. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. He also said that he spent that time in Kanpur with a friend. You are making a mistake, good day. And you are making a mistake. And after saying this word, he just snapped the word and say to the person that good day. But the man didn't go. But the man didn't move from there. And he stayed there, nor did he stop talking. And neither he stopped talking with Vipin Babu. Very strange. And person said that very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda for your Bangalore. And one evening I have taken a tea with you in your veranda. How can you forget this? You spoke about your family. And there you chat with me or you talked with me and you said about your family. You said you had no children. And there you said that you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years old. And also you said to me that very sad that your wife had left you 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane and your only brother who has died in the sense of very madness. Due to madness, his brother also died, which is why you don't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. And that's why you never want to go to the Ranchi, the mental hospital. That means you didn't like to spend or to go or to visit the mental hospital of Ranchi. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. And between this argument, Bipin Babu was searching his book, and after search the book, he paid the cost of the book to the shopkeepers and was about to leave the shop. And when he was about to leave the shop, the man who was talking with him, that means the man who was talking with me, who still looking at him with a complete surprise. And he doesn't think about himself that how a person forgot these major things or these events which had been happened with him in his life and now he is unable to recall. So student, I hope this explanation definitely helps you to understand these paragraphs and to complete the comprehension check. Write the answer of this given question and send it to me on my WhatsApp. And after seeing the answer of your questions, then I will explain the next part of the chapter. Thank you.